Guys, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. Today I want to show you how to fix the problem when your game or application are not visible on your Google Play Store, as in my situation. When you have the same problem as mine and you search your game as Mobile Legends game and you can download it, it's not visible, go back to the main menu and tap on your photo on the right corner. There choose Settings, Family and Parental Controls, which is on, and we have page 3. To visible game or application as Mobile Legends game, we need more than page 3. To change it, tap on it, enter or reconnect pin to Parental Controls, and we can change it from maybe page 3 to allow all included underrated, confirm by got it, and save. You can also turn off your Parental Control by switch on. And that's all. We can go back and try search Mobile Legends games again, and we can download it. Thanks for watching, see you soon, bye!